Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up. So this is a package from Adidas. This pair actually just recently restocked. So I don't know if they were leftover pairs or if they, if they actually really just did another run. But here it is. Let me crack this thing open. Okay. You can see right here. This is a human race box, number 3, 2018. You can see right there. This is the Pharrell human race HOLI NMD MC. This is a size 10.5, so I don't know if this might be too big, but don't know because I normally get a 10. AC 7362. So you got the Pharrell and Adidas right there. So here they are. So just a quick look at this shoe, since this shoe released months ago. You can see right here, just a quick spin of this shoe right here. And you can see on this one it says species right there, and I believe this one says human, I believe, right there. So pretty dope. You got the trail bottom, you got the Adidas branding right there, you got the boost, and as you can see you got the marbling, with the cage and the pods right here. You got the purple laces, and you get an extra set of white laces right there. You got this thin, I believe it's still prime knit there. On one heel you have Pharrell Williams, and then the other one you have Adidas right there. As you can see, you go from the white to the splattered, the pink and kind of like a green color right there. Again, this is part of the HOLI pack, which is a celebration in India, basically for the HOLI. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that, if it's HOLI or HOLI. But again, just a quick look at the shoe itself. Pretty dope. Again, I might have to do a size swap with this because I normally get a 10, but the only one available when I was able to log in was a 10.5. So alright YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright YouTube, peace out.